way we look can greatly affect our self confidence. Having beautifully designed nails can make you feel more put together and confident in yourself. Nail art has firmly established itself in the realms of fashion and beauty. Nail designs allows individuals to express their personality, style, and creativity. Nail art offers a chance to break free from the ordinary and express your individuality, which can boost your confidence and make you feel empowered. Nail designs are a part of fashion and style. They can complement your outfit, create a theme, or set a trend. Nail designs can impact your personal and personal life. They can be conversation starters and leave a lasting impression in personal relationships. Nail care and nail art can be form of relaxation and self-care. Visiting a nail salon or taking the time to do your nails at home provides an opportunity to unwind and de-stress. Staying updated on current nail design trends can be an enjoyable way to stay connected with fashion and keep your daily life interesting. In the age where individuality is celebrated, nail art serves as a powerful form of self expression. Celebrities, fashion icons, and influencers often set nail trends that millions follow. The pampering involved in a manicure or pedicure, with massages and soothing treatments, can be therapeutic. It's a chance to prioritize self care and prioritize one's mental well being, which is particularly important in today's fast paced world. Nail care and nail art can be a form of relaxation and self care. Visiting a nail salon or taking the time to do your nails at home provides the opportunity to unwind and distress.